in the workshop just now, and we have been tumbling these things today. Now these are the zipper pulls that I mentioned in yesterday's video, and I want to show you something about them just now, so I'll set up the camera in a better way so we can get a zoomed in look. This is the zipper pull. Small hole in one end, and in the other end a larger hole. So the plan here is that the cord will go through this side, the smaller hole. You'll tie a knot here and then be able to sort of tug it through, and the knot will disappear up in there, and that will be on the end of the zip. Now what I want to show you is how it compares to the mechanical pen and pencil. Now the finger grips on this mechanical pencil are pretty much the same as the finger grips on the pen, so I'll just show you the pencil just now, but you can see like the zipper pull has a smaller diameter than the pen. I believe the pen is 9.5 millimeters and the zipper pull is 8 millimeters, but the grooves here are in proportion, spacing wise, depth wise, to this. So it's a small detail, but I thought it was worth doing, is to sort of make them match. So yeah, I thought I'd just show that. I thought it was kind of cool. I mentioned in a previous video something about these titanium mechanical pencils. I think it was a video, or somewhere anyway, that I was a bit overzealous when grinding the tips. You've got to grind the tips down, and when I did that, a percentage of them, you know, like the tip has got like a little burn mark on it, and you know, I screwed it up. There's nothing more I can say about that, but I'm not going to send them out like that. And so for the last few days, you know, sort of, I've not prioritized it, but they've sort of been, a bunch of them have been sitting on the workbench, and I've been trying to figure out how to fix it, because I can't show you the burn mark because it's so slight. Like, you have to really look at it, but it's there. I know it's there. I can see it sort of when I look closely, so I won't show it to you because I don't think you'll see it. But there's a little burn mark, and because it's only on the polished ones, and because the polished ones have a better, you know, they've got a nice surface finish, if I do anything to them, like if I sand the tip, just a very 1 millimeter tip of it, suddenly it's a sanded finish on that tiny little bit, and the rest is polished, and it doesn't look very good. But I've managed to figure out a way to fix it, and I'll show you roughly what I'm doing to fix it. We've got this wheel here, which is a Scotch-Brite wheel. It's a very interesting wheel. It's kind of like it's soft, but it works perfect for titanium. And so the idea is that I just skim the tip of it on that. Now the problem is, when I skim the tip of it with the Scotch-Brite, it gives it like you can see that it's got like a satin finish, and that you can see that 1 millimeter, 2 millimeters up on here compared to the polish. And so what I'm then going to do, once I do that, I then use these are buffing wheels, so I can just skim the tip again and then polish it there. And what that does is it takes the very tip back to the polish to match the rest of the tip and the rest of the pen. So like, I don't really care that I'm showing you that my process isn't perfect or that I screwed up. I mean, I'm still delivering like what I say I'm going to deliver. So if I, you know, make a mistake, that's fine. I don't mind telling you about it. Like, in fact, maybe it's better that you sort of know that these things happen, because it happens to every business, but maybe not every business tells you that they have to like fix something. But yeah, I wouldn't send them out until I perfected the process, but I've got that now. So I've got like, I don't know how many is there, but quite a handful. And so that's what's on the cards today.